Hey guys, it's Mackenzie and welcome back to my channel Cooking for Health. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today, we will be making strawberry rhubarb muffins. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of almond flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 eggs, 3/4 cups of sliced rhubarb, 3/4 cups of sliced strawberries, and 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour. In a large bowl, you are going to combine your almond flour, baking powder, and salt. Now we're going to set it aside, and in a small bowl we are going to combine our applesauce, honey, vanilla, and eggs. Now we're going to set that aside, and in another bowl, we will go and combine our strawberries, rhubarb, and tapioca flour. The tapioca flour is to help thicken the juice, so we're not adding too much extra liquid to our muffins. Now we are going to add our liquids into our dry ingredients from earlier, and we're just going to fold that all in together. Now we're going to take our rhubarb and strawberry mixture and just dump that in the bowl and gently fold it in. You don't want to overmix it. Now we're going to scoop about 2 tablespoons of the batter into each muffin tin. For the topping, you will need 1½ cups of almond flour, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to mix our cinnamon and almond flour together. Then we're going to mix our liquids together. Now we're going to pour our mixture on top of our dry ingredients, and then we're going to whisk it together until it's like wet sand. Now we're going to spread our topping on top of our muffins, and you want to make sure you spread it really even, or else you'll end up with a crater in the middle of your muffin. Now we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Here I'm just sticking a knife down the center to make sure that it's fully cooked.
Those are tasty, Matt.
Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell. And also, don't forget that you can comment down below to give me suggestions on what to make for future recipes. See you next time! Bye!